Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we're in Sam's Tiki Bar, and today we're gonna make the classic margarita. I've been watching on TikToks and YouTube videos. There's a classic margarita out there. I have always used a mix, but there's a classic margarita, which is only 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients? Yes, please. So, what are those ingredients? I'm going to use my pantalones tequila. Oh, pantalones. Can't wait to drink this. Then, I'm going to have some Grand Marnier in this. You can use triple sec, but if you've got Grand Marnier, use it. And I know people like this, and I like it. Next, we have fresh squeezed lime juice from 2 weeks ago. It's still in a bottle. It's still good. I'm using this. So, let's make the classic margarita. Oh, what movie am I watching today? The Exorcist. Yes, I'm one of those people. I like The Exorcist. After you get past the scary parts, rewatch The Exorcist over and over and over again. I'm watching The Exorcist today. Okay, anyway, so let's take 2 ounces of tequila. So 2 ounces of tequila makes this margarita perfection. So let's do that. Here we go, 2 ounces of my pantalones tequila. I say pantalones with an accent. So, thanks to Scott Risen. He's my pal that got me the tequila. Now, we take this and we put it right into the shaker mug. We're also going to use 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. So let's put in 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. It even has an orange color to it. Dump that in there. And then let's take 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Now, I have it in my shaker cup. I've got ice in there. Okay. Put that there. Dump this in there. Now, you're supposed to salt the rim on the glass. I didn't want to. So anyway, just clean this. Put this on top. I got a little bit on me. I got water on me or something. That feels nice and cold. Top this thing off. Strain out the margarita. Now this is classic margarita. And everybody raves about it. When I'm putting it in on this glass, you can see I got a cube in there. Look at that. Okay. Let's see what it tastes like. All right. This is better. This is just... I feel like I'm in Mexico. It's delicious. I mean, the citrus. Tastes like summer. This is a classic margarita. This is really good. It doesn't even... It's like... Try the classic margarita. Just get the 3 ingredients. If you have triple sec, lime juice, tequila, just shake it, put it in there, drink it, repeat. This is a great drink. Again, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, wishing you a happy weekend and a great day. Okay, see you next week.